Kech is a district of Balochistan in Pakistan. Kech, the land of romance legend, has always been a place of importance for its geographical location. It has been and still is the center of Makran region, geographically, socially, and politically. The local rulers, including Hots, Rens, Boledais, and Gichkis, exercised authority in the area. Kech has been very much popular for a love story of Punnu and Sassi. Punnu was a Hot prince, remnant of whose Miri can still be seen near Turbat, and Sassi was his beloved. Many folklores have been written about this legend in all the local languages. In 1994 to 1995, the name of Turbat district was changed to its old name, Kech. Kech, with the number of tehsil, which are Boleda, Turbat, Dasht, and Tum. Turbat is the administrative center of Kech District and the IGFC South Makran headquarters in Kech. The politically recognized personalities of Kech are ex-Chief Minister Dr. Abdul Malik Baloch, Federal Minister Zobeda Jalal, and Educational Minister Zahoor Boledai. Turbat is situated on the left bank of the Kech River, a tributary of Dasht River. During summer, in the month of June and July, the climate of district Kech reaches above 50 degrees Celsius. According to the census of 15th March 2017, the population of Kech is 9,09,116. The important installations are University of Turbat, Makran Medical College, ADE College, which are located on Ginna Turbat CPEC route. The sports mostly played are football, volleyball, and traditional games like Ashchoki. It is said that over 300 different varieties of dates are grown here. Kech economy mostly depend on Pak versus Iran border and Gulf countries. Turbat International Airport is the second biggest airport of Balochistan after Quetta. Interesting places of Kech include Kohe Murad, the government's farm, Fort of Punnu, commonly known as Miri Kalat, Absar, a very important town of district Kech, and Mirani Dam.